Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a haul video, and this haul is not makeup haul. I think I just got one makeup item. I went to 3 different stores, not in one day, but 2 stores in one day and one separately. So I thought why not I share with you. So let's start. So I will just randomly pick the products or the things I bought, and I will just let you know which store I bought from, and not because the bag which I put everything in is just all mixed up. So I will just randomly pick up and tell you which store I got from. So let's get started. So let's start from this bag. Let's see what's the first item. So this is the first item I got, and there are 3 different sizes of, I don't know, there are like 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 different sizes of like these clear boxes, and you can just open the lids very clearly. I'm not opening right now. And this was the store which I got this from was 5 Below. I'm not sure if it's a new store, but pretty new in California. So below 5 means everything is below $5. So this one does not have price. Yeah, so not sure of the price, does not have any price even in the back, but anyways it's below 5, so you can put anything in here. I just took it to for travel purpose, and it has 19 storage cups. So yeah. So the next thing which I got is selfie stick. I do have selfie stick, but again this is from the same store, and again does not have the price. Yeah, it does not have the price, and it says exclusively at 5 Below. And the difference between what I have already and this selfie stick is that there is a like a mic kind of a thing. So if you are taking selfie or making videos, there is a sound thing here. So it says selfie stick with the first ever sound cam. So this is a small Vaseline for lips, especially for lips. Nowadays, I don't know, my lips are super dry, though I apply few times a day the lip balm, Vaseline especially. But so I want to keep the lip balms or these Vaseline ones especially everywhere at the house, so I got that. So okay, so that one is, I think, is also from 5 Below. So this is the only makeup item which I got, and this is not from 5 Below, and this is from Burlington Coat Factory. So this, like I said, this is the only makeup thing I got, and this is for $5.99, and it has 8 piece liquid lip stains, and it's from Mana Kadar, however you say it. And I know this brand, or I know this name, because I got one of the lip products from this particular brand in one of my BoxyCharm. So that's how I know the brand, and it has all this nice nude color, except there is a red, pink, but they're all like nice nudes color. So I got this 3 earring set. I really like the color, and nowadays I really like wearing these kinds. I think I'm bored with the dangling ones. I do still wear them, but I am liking these kinds, and this is for $4.99, and they're really cute. Next one I got is another similar but different design. So they have 3 different colors in the same design. So there is a nice peachish pinkish, like a charcoal or a gray, and then silver gold, so it's nice, and it's for again $4.99. So the next the last jewelry item which I got from the store is it's a long necklace, and it got all tangled. So this is how it is. This is nice peachish rose goldy kind of a color, so something like that, and it comes with small earrings, and this is for $7.99. So this is the next bag, and as you can see, it's Burlington Coat Factory, but not everything in here is from Burlington Coat Factory. So the first thing which I see here is this, and this is you know, a toiletry bag or a makeup bag, whatever you want to put it, like a nice travel you know, for traveling. And I was like going out of these bags, or my bags were getting old, so I had only like one or two, but I like to keep, you know, more choices. And this one I got from Burlington Coat Factory. And let me open the chain and show you quickly. So this is how it is. This one is for $12.99. So this is the next item. This is again another cosmetic bag which has 3 bags inside. So this has these 2 small bags, and then if I show you like this will be better. So this one is like one full, you know, big bag. Then there is another one here. This is one, and then there are 2 small ones. So total this 1, 2, 3, 4. So like, you know, about 4 bags in one bag. And this is again from Burlington, and this was for $19.99. So the next thing, I got this basket, and this is from Five Below, and this is again no price, but everything is below $5. I think this was $1 or $2. I don't remember, a couple dollars. Sorry guys, I don't have price, but it's definitely below $5. So the next thing which I got from Burlington again, and this is face mask, and this comes with 3 different masks. So the first one is with vitamins ACE, which is a rose mask. It says rose gel mask, so all are gel ones. So rose gel face mask, and it's a 15-minute facial therapy that it says. That's what it says here. The next one is gold gel face mask, and which again says the same thing. For the rose one, it says, and it also comes with a brush here, it says deep cleansing gel based formula. Then the next one for the gold, it says offers intense hydration to revitalize smooth and soften skin. And the next one is this one, the green, and this one is cucumber, and it says with vitamin ACE, helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So rose, gold, cucumber. So this is the last shopping bag, and don't worry, I'm gonna tell you from where I got it. So it's a three-piece travel pouch. You know, when you want to organize your clothes, and like your dresses, jeans, Indian clothes, whatever, like in different bags. So this I got and from Sharper Image, and if I find the price, I will definitely put down somewhere in the video. If I don't, then I'm sorry. So it comes with this one. This is the second one, and there's a small one. So this is the next travel makeup I would be using for makeup. So here it is, and this is a very nice cute design, and this one I got from, so okay, by the way, the travel organizer I got from TjMaxx, and I think, yeah, this also I got from TjMaxx. And price. Sorry guys, I don't know why there's no price in here, or we removed it. So it comes in like this, so you can easily put, you know, there is one zip over here, you can put anything you want. Then there is, you know, you can put your brushes or any pencil kind of makeup, or but I'm gonna use to put brushes, like makeup brushes. And this is another zip. So basically you can divide your brushes and your makeup. You don't have to carry two separate bags for that. So this here, you know, you can put your makeup. So the next thing which I got is this, and this is charcoal nose strips. This is basically to remove blackheads, unclog pores, fight blackheads with a cleansing power natural charcoal. Again, this does not have price, and if I find the price I will definitely put it somewhere in the video. And here goes the last item, and this is the makeup removing wipes, and it says anti-aging makeup cleansing wipes with grapefruit and collagen, renew, restore, revive, 60 wipes. So there you go, and this I would use right away when I want to remove my makeup, so that way I would be even testing it. So this is what all I got from 3 different stores, which is 5 Below, TjMaxx and Burlington Goat Factory. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, please put down below in the comment section. I would be happy to answer. Guys, please let me know. I was thinking when I go to these stores to show you the stores. So if you live in US and you have these stores, or somewhere you live where you have these stores, you can see at what time you know, they're selling what whenever I'm visiting. And if you want to go and purchase similar things or same thing, you can definitely go. Or if you live somewhere where you don't have this store, you know, then probably you can compare the prices and see what we are getting here and what you're getting in your country. So, you know, somewhere you can see the difference in the products or the prices. So definitely please let me know by commenting below if you want to see come with me to shop, or shop with me, or where I can take you inside these stores. So yeah, definitely I talked a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please follow me on my social media, and all the links as usual, the links are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.